Okay, wow. We're gonna throw on some cool parts in this. Bag of hardware, baby. We got these cool things from TechnoToyTuning. Kind of theme like garage, if you guys couldn't tell from last time, obviously. Boom, baby. TechnoToyTuning. So we're gonna throw these on the negative, not even negative, I'm gonna do the regular, because this side pokes out more than this side. The alignment is off, so I got it. I'm gonna correct it maybe in a week or two when I have time. It's like the wheel comes out way more over here. These are not pulled. Spinners are pretty OEM as fuck. I'm like the rares. I'm gonna throw these on. What these do is they like lower the lower half of the suspension. I'll explain it later. I don't know what I'm talking about. To use this, I'm going to use the regular road center adjuster. If you guys can see that right there, maybe not, but it says RCA right here. So we're gonna, it says to use the inserts. So I'm gonna take 2 inserts out of the bag. One there, yeah, one here. Oh, they do go in a certain way. Boom, and then it's gonna go through this hole and this hole. So let's go underneath the car. I'll show y'all. It's one white boy. Get nice and comfy. So, got one bolt there. And then, hard to see on this side. There's no light whatsoever, but there's another bolt here. And basically, this goes on like so. It's gonna bring this down some. But like keep that up. It's like this weird science of like suspension. It makes sense once you put them on. So I ran into a hiccup where this is still hot. I had to heat this up because if you can see where it's all baiting up right there, and I tried to use pliers to apply it back because when I took this off, it kind of shifted and hit that. If you run into this issue where you put this onto your car, I get a jack stand and then you like rest this arm onto here, and then I got the punch and put it in here after I heat it up with the torch and knock it in a little bit, and instantly it comes out. Like, there's like no point even trying to use pliers. You put your dowels on, the aluminum ones that came with the RCA, and you're gonna look for where it says RCA again. Put that there. It only goes in there anyways. Boom. Now I'm gonna need 2 hands, so I'm gonna put you guys away for a little bit, and then I'm gonna put this back on top of this, and then it came with hardware, lock washers and a bolt. And we're gonna put it in there. I'm gonna use a little bit of Loctite just for safety. But yeah, I didn't do those welds. That's how it came. I'm gonna redo these anyways with some PBMs. I'm gonna use PBM 86 coilovers because they're all the same shit really. And yeah, that should work. I don't think this is from this tire setup. I think this is from the old tire setup. The previous owner already gave me the stock tires. Oh, whoa, baby. Hey, I know what this does. We gotta fix this. I'm probably gonna fix this like not today, not even gonna lie to you, not even gonna hold you, champ. But I gotta, oh man, I gotta pull this, tuck it up. Oh boy, if it's not one thing, it's another. But I'm pretty sure that's from the stock tires because they were fat. Yo, fuck. Got it installed mostly, but that's what it looks like. I just use a lot of strength on it because I'm not gonna Loctite it. I don't need this. What a lock nut washers for. So I'm gonna jack this up the arm and put back on the sway bar end link. Bolt this in the torsion bar, and it should be better. I don't know if I'm lower. If I'm lower, I'll just obviously raise the car up in the front, which sucks because I couldn't even get the jack down under this side. There's some cancer. And I already took off the flappy flap cards because they were scraping, and well, they're OEM. I want to preserve them at least, you know. Let's wrap this up and then do the other side. All right, now we're on to this side. I should know what to use this time, so this will be done in half the time. I need new rotors. These are gross. Got all the tools I need there in that scramble thing. I'm gonna be back. Let me organize this. I got this thing because there was too much going around. Boom, bam, that. All the half inches I just put there. This broke over time. It was cheap, whatever. Good quality. Good job, Husky. Just I'm reckless and stuff, so I break stuff. So this has to be done in like no time. I'm eating my words today. Hammer, not so hard hammer. A 10, a fry bar. I have another one somewhere. That's up there. I'll get that later. Let's just break this loose.
But first,
so y'all that don't know, I had an 89 CRX with the first car that sat in this very same spot in my driveway when I was like 15 to 18. I'm gonna let Boomer with the license, so blame me. Alright, see, these are unhealthy for brake lines. So I'm gonna go inside after I do all this and drive it tomorrow like a madman. I'm going to look up the stainless steel counterpart for this car. I'm sure someone has said it online. I'm gonna go from there, but yeah, just when you see stuff like this, the rubber's missing and it's tough on the outside, just be careful. Don't drive the car hard. So I'm gonna just do like the speed limit, no more highway on this car, and enjoy life. You know, that's what I'm still live for. Anyway, you're not here for that. Let's put on this next RCA.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Alright, so when I took this off, I realized that this one was kind of stripped. Does this focus better? Yeah, it's not working. So this was like kind of stripped. Get the lighting to work in my favor. And I'm like, okay, whatever. So I changed one of the holes, the hole that one came out of, and it worked good using the new hardware, you know. So then I used this one, and like I just realized they cut this bolt and put it in there, and I'm upset because, come on, bro. Just go to the hardware store. I'm really mad because like these were like cross threaded. So I just ooga them on there. It's shitting close. So. Whatever. I'm gonna come back later when I redo the struts and tap them out and re-tap them. So yeah. Car came with these. That's a plus. Yeah. That's the job. They're those. Oh, they're 8 in the front. Wow, that's soft. Holy crap. Probably gonna just get new springs for this. It's like 60 bucks. Swift, baby! Why is it so loose? Oh, Jesus. There's no preload. Alright, so there's like no light. Whoa. So, with some light, this is it. It's on there, connected. Let's see how it sits before the sun goes down. If it's too low, I might say f it. Hopefully the red head's decent and not slizammed and the oil pan's dying. So let's figure that out right now. I ain't even gonna hold you. Honestly, it's like the same height. Oh, man.
No, you don't wanna see my face, but when I woke up, I was thinking about